Have you ever heard the story about silver and gold? Today, we're going to talk about how trust in God is a lot like how silver and gold are made shiny and beautiful. This is a blacksmith. He heats up silver in a super hot fire. It might seem scary, but don't worry, the blacksmith knows exactly what he's doing. He makes sure the silver gets rid of all the yucky stuff inside it. Just like the blacksmith purifies silver, God helps us become better people. Sometimes, we go through hard times, like moving to a new school or having a tough test. These are like the fire that helps make us stronger and shine brighter. When we face challenges and trust in God, we grow stronger, just like the silver becomes shiny. Jesus tells us that we will have tough times, but with Him, we will find peace. Every time we are kind, brave, and trust God, we become more like Jesus. He was brave and trusted God, His Father, too, and we can follow His example. So, next time you face something hard, remember God is with you, making you stronger and helping you shine bright like silver and gold. Trust Him, and you will always find peace. Thanks for listening, boys and girls. Remember, with trust in God, you can shine bright and be strong.